Join me as I dive into the heart of CES Asia 2025, where the future of technology is being shaped before our eyes. From AI-powered devices to next-gen AR headsets, I'm on a mission to hunt down the most advanced jaw-dropping gadgets before anyone else. Trust me, you don't want to miss what I found. CES Asia isn't just another tech event, it's the epicenter of tomorrow's innovations. If you're someone who loves being ahead of the curve, buckle up, because what I'm about to show you will blow your mind. 1. The pulse of innovation. What makes CES Asia 2025 special? CES Asia 2025 is more than just a tech expo, it's a showcase of imagination turned into reality. Held in Shanghai, it's where the world's leading companies and rising startups gather to reveal their visions for the future. Unlike its Western counterpart in Las Vegas, CES Asia often highlights innovations tailored to fast-growing Asian markets. Urban mobility, smart living, 5G ecosystems, and AI integration dominate the conversation. With over 2,000 exhibitors and 100,000 plus attendees this year, the energy was electric. The AI, sustainability, personalization, and immersive experiences. From the second I stepped into the exhibition halls, I could feel the anticipation and excitement in the air. Everyone was asking the same question: what's the next big thing? 2. Smartwatches get smarter. The Titan X1. The first gadget that caught my eye was the Titan X1, a sleek smartwatch launched by a top-tier brand. But this wasn't just a fitness tracker with a premium design. It was practically a personal assistant on your wrist. Here's what made it stand out: microprojector display. With the flick of your wrist, the Titan X1 can project a functional display onto your hand or wall, perfect for presentations, media control, or even replying to texts. Advanced biometrics. Heart rate monitoring is old news. This device uses infrared sensors to measure blood oxygen levels, stress, hydration, and even early illness detection. AI-driven coaching. The watch docent just track your steps, learns your habits, and gives you data-backed recommendations, like suggesting hydration intervals on hot days, or reminding you to stretch if you've been sitting too long. And the best part, it can sync with your smart home ecosystem, turning off your lights, locking doors, or adjusting the thermostat from your wrist. 3. The smart home revolution. Ecosphere AI Hub. Next up was a smart home gadget that's going to redefine convenience. The Ecosphere AI Hub. At first glance, it looks like your average smart speaker, but dig deeper, and you'll find one of the most powerful home automation tools ever created. Voice first, context-aware control. Unlike older systems that follow simple commands, Ecosphere uses natural language processing and machine learning to understand complex conversations. You could say, "I'm heading out for a few hours," and it would adjust lighting, temperature, security, and even pause active appliances. Energy optimization, engine. The Ecosphere monitors real-time power consumption and intelligently adjusts your devices to save energy without sacrificing comfort. Mood sensing. This one blew my mind. The device uses audio analysis and environmental data to gauge your mood and plays music or lighting scenes accordingly. Feeling stressed? It'll cue up your favorite chill playlist and dim the lights. What really separates it from competitors is its modular design. You can add plug-and-play modules to control air quality, integrate water leak detection, and even monitor indoor plant health. For the AR revolution, Visioner Alpha, the biggest showstopper at CES Asia 2025, was without a doubt the Visioner Alpha AR headset. This isn't just an upgrade to what we've seen before, it is a leap forward. Fully immersive AR layering. Using LiDAR and real-time mapping, the headset blends digital objects into your physical environment so seamlessly that it's hard to distinguish what's real. 4K micro displays. Each lens delivers crystal-clear visuals with zero motion blur, ideal for both work and play. Eye and gesture tracking. The device responds to where you're looking and how you move your hands, eliminating the need for a physical controller. 5G integration and cloud sync. Everything is rendered in real time using edge computing, reducing lag and ensuring smooth experiences even during multiplayer AR games or business meetings. Use cases: limitless. From remote surgical assistants and virtual classrooms to immersive retail and design work, this headset could be the iPhone moment for augmented reality. 5. AI-powered mobility. The NR scooter urban transportation got a major upgrade at CES Asia 2025 with the NR, a smart e-scooter designed for dense city environments. Highlights: self-parking feature. When you're done riding, it'll drive itself to a charging dock using onboard sensors and GPS. Facial recognition. Start. Forget keys or apps, just look at it to unlock and ride. Predictive safety alerts. It analyzes nearby traffic, road conditions, and your riding habits to give you real-time audio warnings before potential hazards. Battery swapping system. Instead of waiting to charge, you just replace the depleted battery with a fresh one at designated kiosks. This isn't just another scooter. It's a glimpse at how AI and urban infrastructure are starting to work hand in hand. 6. Health and wellness tech. BioPad Mini. Another gem from CES Asia 2025 was the BioPad Mini, a portable device that brings medical-grade diagnostics into your pocket. Features include smart saliva testing. With a tiny cartridge, the BioPad can detect vitamin deficiencies, hydration levels, and even early signs of infection. Personalized nutrition plans. Based on your readings, it creates real-time diet recommendations tailored to your goals. Remote doctor sync. Share your diagnostics securely with healthcare providers instantly for faster feedback. In a post-pandemic world where remote health monitoring is more important than ever, BioPad Mini could democratize access to preventative care. 7. Rollable displays and transparent TVs. Display tech took a wild turn this year. LG, TCL, and a few surprising startups showed off some jaw-dropping innovations. Rollable tablets. Devices that roll up like a scroll and expand into full-size tablets. Transparent TVs. Old screens with 80% transparency that double as smart windows when not in use. E-ink walls. Ultra-thin wallpaper screens that change color, show art, or double as digital dashboards for your home or office. These aren't just prototypes, they're production, with some launching in Asia by late August 2025. AI companions and emotional robots. One surprising trend: the rise of emotionally intelligent machines. Meet Lumo, a tabletop AI companion that learns from your behavior and reacts with human-like empathy. Facial and voice recognition. It identifies who you are, how you're feeling, and adapts its responses accordingly. Mood mirroring interface. Its LED face reflects your tone: calm, excited, worried too. Help increase therapy and journaling support. It can guide meditation, initiate mental health check-ins, and record voice diaries securely. CES Asia made it clear. The next phase of AI isn't just smart, it's empathetic. 9. Sustainable tech future. With a conscience, CES Asia also focused heavily on sustainability this year. Solar roof tiles, lighter, cheaper, and more efficient than ever, expected to hit Southeast Asian markets in Q4 2025. Zero-waste 3D printers. Printing household items with recycled plastics sourced from your own trash. Biodegradable gadgets. Several startups debuted earbuds, cases, and even chargers made of materials that degrade within 3 years without harming the environment. Tech is no longer just about performance, it's about responsibility, and that message came through loud and clear. 10. Final thoughts. Why CES Asia 2025 mattered. As I wrapped up my visit, one thing was clear. CES Asia 2025 wasn't just a glimpse into the future, it was a full-on invitation to experience it. From AI that understands your emotions to AR that blends the digital and physical world, we're entering a new era of interaction and immersion. What's most exciting is that these innovations aren't just tech fantasies. They're being designed, developed, and deployed right now. So there you have it, my full breakdown of the coolest, most futuristic gadgets from CES Asia 2025. Which one blew your mind the most? The AR headset, the emotion-sensing robot, or maybe the rollable tablet? Drop your favorite in the comments. And don't forget to hit like and subscribe if you want more deep dives into the world's biggest tech events. I'll be covering more innovation hotspots all year, so stay tuned. And remember, the future isn't coming, it's already here. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications, because we drop tech gems every single week here on TechWave 65.